So hi, I am Roland Recilla, BSGA third year. So in this video, I will be performing some basic operations of matrices using this software, which is Excel software or spreadsheet. So I will be performing addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices, solving for determinant, inverse matrix, and transpose of a matrix. So as you can see here I have two matrix, matrix A and matrix B, with a dimension of 3 by 3. So first, I'm gonna solve for addition. So in solving addition, it's very easy. So we need to drag this 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, then equal sign, then control click the matrix A, just drag it, then put addition sign plus, and then the matrix B, control drag, and then in entering it, so that we can get the value of matrix A plus matrix B, we just do control shift enter. It's easy if we do this in Excel. Then we will move on to subtraction. By doing the same, drag this 3 by 3, and then equals the matrix A, control and drag, and the subtraction sign, and then control and drag matrix B, and then also in entering we do control shift enter. So in multiplication, we also do the same with addition and subtraction, but we will use the multiplication sign. So drag these 3 rows and 3 columns, then equals matrix A, control and drag, the multiplication sign, control and drag matrix B, and then control shift enter. So there we go, we have solved these basic operations. So for solving for determinant, so we do this function in Excel, equals mDeterm, open parentheses, so we say here array. So we will solve for the determinant of matrix A. So we press control in the keyboard and drag, and then close parentheses, enter. So determinant of matrix B equals mDeterm, open parentheses, so array, which array, so we do the matrix B since we're done with A, control and drag, then close parentheses, enter. And there we go, we have solved for the determinant of matrix A and matrix B. So in solving for inverse matrix, so meaning the inverse of matrix A, its inverse value, so we drag these 3 rows and columns, and then equals m inverse, open parentheses, then press control and drag matrix A, and then close parentheses. So in getting the value, we do Control Shift and enter, and there we have the value for the inverse matrix of A. So inverse matrix of B, we do the same. We highlight these 3 rows and columns, equals M inverse, open parentheses, control and drag matrix B, close parentheses, and in getting the value, Control Shift enter. There we go. So in solving for the transpose of a matrix, we highlight these 3 rows and columns, equals equals transpose, there, open. So for matrix A, so in getting the value, Control Shift enter, and matrix B, highlight, equals, we do the transpose function in Excel, then control and drag matrix B, close parentheses, then Control Shift enter. There we go. We have solved some basic operations for matrices using Excel, and that's all.